Rajan Chaudhary, Motivational Speaker, Business Coach, and Career Counselor.
Cleaning company. This is arguably one of the easiest businesses to start. And the upfront capital costs are low. You will need basic cleaning supplies and equipments to start. And one of the main thing, as a cleaning business, you have two markets to choose from. You can either choose to serve the residential or commercial market. What is the meaning? Meaning you can clean people's homes, property, or offices, businesses, premises, etc. And the quickest and cheapest way to reach new potential cleaning clients is through traditional direct marketing. Start by finding a leaflet template on Microsoft Publisher or other design software and amend the template branding to your business. Then start direct marketing and go to door distributing the flyers offering your cleaning services. Is it? You can also create posters and ask local businesses to put these up in their windows. This business idea is easy to start and scale. Competition is intense in the cleaning marketing. You will need to make sure that your brand stands out and your pricing is competitive for your local area. You can find this out by doing some competitor analysis. Is it? So thank you so much. Be happy, take care, and please subscribe my channel for new notifications. Thank you so much.